Hey there! Social share buttons are an important feature to make your website more known. The buttons do not have a direct impact on the Google results, but they play a huge role when it comes to spreading your content. Visitors to your website will share the content on their social media if they find it interesting and useful. This means a higher click rate, more visitors, and better positions for your website. Log into your WordPress account as usual to get to the dashboard shown here. Click on All-in-One SEO in the left menu, and then click on Social Networks in the submenu. Add the URL to each of your social media pages in the respective fields. We recommend adding at least Facebook and Twitter, but adding more is better. To finish the task, click on Save Changes. Great! Mark the task as finished, and let's move on to the next one. If you want to learn more about digital marketing, visit rankingcoach.com to see how we can help your business's online presence.